Want this text animation? Hello everyone and welcome to a brand new video. In this video I will be showing you how to blend any video into text in just a few clicks. Also make sure to update CapCut to its latest version. If you don't know how to update CapCut, watch this video. I will leave the link in the description. Now import any clip. I have this Mr. Beast clip that I will use. Select the clip and go to the mask section. Click on add mask and select this text mask. Just type in your text. You can also change the font as you like, adjust the size of the text from here. You can experiment with characters and other things as well. Now simply move the mask to wherever you like. You want the mask to be on the face of the character, so I will drag it to the face and your video is blended into text. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and like. Also follow me on Instagram for more updates and I will see you in the next video. Bye.